for Indi.
Hello everybody, thank you. It's my first public meeting again. It's a great privilege to be here. Thanks for getting it together. Congratulations. Great to see my colleague from the Senate. Good work that you do. And also acknowledging you, Peter. Fantastic to have you here with your knowledge. I've been in the job a year and a bit. I'm really interested in water. So if I could just take a 2-second background on my interest. I'm not familiar with the irrigation issues that you were talking about, but I live in the Upper Murray, up near Beechworth, and our family being involved in long-running battles at the VFF when Peter was there, and I was the VFF rep for North East Victoria, about keeping the water in the catchment, and then that whole farm dams argument that we had. So I would just like to put 2 things on top of this discussion. One is the immediate problem we've got now about what we're talking about here. But the thing that really interests me, and I don't want to take it away from the media discussion that you've gathered for, but I just want to pose it as a bigger question, is 50% of the water in the Murray-Darling Basin falls in Indi. 50%, which is a huge amount. And I would like to be part of a community discussion around a much bigger picture about how do we want to use that water, and what do we want to do with it. Because when I hear this discussion, we don't have that. Us catchment farmers don't have a vision for our water and how we want to use it. I know local government does some work, but it seems to me that we're very beholden to, and I'm going to say with great respect, downstream users of our water. Because they've always been organised, the irrigators have got organised, the water users have got organised, South Australia have got organised. And I don't think we ever have. I think we've always just set the water down. So one of the things I'm hoping for in what I'm the member for Indi is opening up a much bigger and longer term discussion that will take us 50 and 60, 100 years into the future about long-term understanding of what our water is for and how we want to use it in our catchment. And I'm really conscious that that's a very parochial discussion. And it's, for me as a member for Indi, it's those farmers of us up in the Upper Murray, in Corrion, the dairy farmers up there, the Minna farmers up in the Kiwar, the Minna Rivers. How do we want to use our water? So I was very pleased to come here today, and thanks John for being here as well, to start my education, I think, with some of the southern farmers about what your issues are, and I can see there's just enormous interest in this topic. So this is the current battle that's being fought, but I think it really, in the longer term, we need to start thinking a much bigger picture about how we want to use the water where it falls, and how we value add to that water locally. So that's the bit I want to say. The other thing to say is we're back in Canberra next week, and John and I have got a meeting, I think, on Tuesday. So we'll certainly talk about this, and I've also got a meeting lined up with Neil Andrews, the new chair of Murray-Darling Basin, and he was over in Murray last week, so he's been around. So very happy to take the findings from today to him anyhow, and again begin that process of, here's what the meeting wanted to know, let's have a go at seeing what answers we can get. So thanks again, and I'm really pleased to be here.